Hi everyone, welcome back to the Data Analytics channel. Today we are diving into one of the most critical skills for any data analyst, SQL. Whether you are a beginner or looking to level up your data analytics game, mastering SQL is a must. In this video, we will walk through the essential SQL topics you need to know to succeed in a data analytics career. Structured query language, SQL, is the backbone of data analysis. It allows you to interact with databases, extract insights, and make data-driven decisions. Almost every company relies on SQL to manage and analyze their data, so mastering it opens up numerous opportunities. Now let's break down the key essential topics you need to master. First we have is basic SQL queries. Understanding how to use select, from, where, and group by clauses is crucial for extracting specific data from large datasets. Next we have our joins. You need to learn to combine data from multiple tables using inner join, left join, right join, and full join. This is essential for working with complex databases. Next we have is aggregations and grouping. You need to master group by having aggregative functions like sum, average, count, min, max. These helps in summarizing large datasets to uncover insights. Next we have is subqueries and nested queries. You can use subqueries to break down complex queries into manageable parts. This skill is crucial when dealing with layered data questions. Next we have is window functions. You can use window functions like rank, dense rank, row number, lead, and lag. These are advanced functions that allow you to do more sophisticated analysis like calculating running totals or comparing data points. Next we have some data cleaning techniques. You can use techniques like case, call sk, and using trim functions. These are essential for cleaning messy data and preparing it for analysis. I have some other advanced concepts as well, but these are not frequently used. These just give you extra edge in interviews. So these concepts are indexes and performance optimization, then data manipulation language like insert, update, and delete records. Then next we have our stored procedures and functions, and finally database design and normalization. Now that you know what topics to focus on, here are some practical tips to help you master SQL. You can use websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, and More Analytics, which offers great SQL challenges to hone your skills. I use these websites to prepare for my SQL interviews. Then apply what you have learned by working on real-world projects. Kaggle is a fantastic platform for this. Just pick up a dataset from Kaggle and start analyzing data. Last but not least, never ever give up. Sometimes the best things in life takes time. It's easy to become discouraged when progress seems slow, but remember guys, every effort you make, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. So keep pushing forward, stay patient, believe in yourself, and trust that your hard work will eventually pay off. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which data analytics topic you want me to dive deeper. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.